by George Anderson, a trail builder. And then 2 years later, he did a first ascent on Mount Star King, which is up in Little Yosemite Valley. And when he got to the top, there was a cairn on it. Somebody had climbed it from the opposite side the year before. So they only, realistically, they only got the second ascent, though, the first ascent of that particular route. And then there was about 30, 40 years. That happened in 1875, and it wasn't until early 30s that people started using ropes again. When he did this, he would put a spike in, tie a rope, tie it around his waist, stand on it, drill by hand, and put another spike in, tie a rope around his waist, get on top of it. So that's how they did the cables on Half Dome.
Wow.
And here they're changing the cables out in 1934. They've been replaced 3 times, last time in 1984. So there wasn't rope climbing for a while, and it didn't happen again until 1933 with the rock climbing section of the Sierra Club. And these are the notebooks from the higher and lower cathedral spires. And this is higher spire, it says lower, that's a typo. But you can see both the spires here, that's lower spire, higher spire. And they were both climbed in 1934 after 3 tries each. These notebooks have the picture here. These are original pictures. I got to meet 2 of the first 3 ascensionists. Went to their homes and they gave us all this stuff. It was amazing. They were kind of waiting for somebody to come along, and
that's great.
And I sort of cornered the market on all that stuff.
Good
so I have
for
the
you.
core,
Yeah.
The core of it all. And I formed a nonprofit to provide public ownership for all of it.
Which, by the way, Ken, right? No photography, right?
Yeah, generally,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Some,
yeah,
especially.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, yeah, can take it out.
Yeah, Mike put that on there.
It's in there pretty tight.
Yeah, this stuff's awesome. I call this the glowering spot, which is named after a ledge on El Cap, or the perch. But I like it. I can just sit here and I like if there's when somebody drives in, I'll see them. It's pretty awesome. And I made all the benches.
Well, this is one of the things that they hang off the side of the mountain where you can sleep on.
It's cold there.
And
it's cold. We do a lot of cold stuff.
whoa, you are down low here then. So
Yeah, I got it that way in person because or in purpose because I don't. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then scoot over in the middle.
okay, I'm down here.
There you go.
I'm on the side of a building, not on the side of a mountain, but I'm still getting the effect of it. And this is how they would be sleeping up on the side of the mountain then. So it's actually pretty comfortable here too. I mean, I'd have to let my feet dangle off, but I may need a crane to get me off of this though, but still pretty good here though. Okay.